Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to push to your repository in GitHub. So I'm going to come to this folder. This is the folder that I want to push to my repository. I've added a lot of things and I want it to be saved in my repository. So I'm going to come to my command line. If you don't know how to create a repository, or if you don't know how to install Git, click the links in the description below, or the cards that show up after the video. So now I'm in my desktop environment and I want to push everything inside this folder to my GitHub. So what I'll first do is enter the project folder. Since the name of the project folder is Proton, I will say cd Proton. Now I'm inside Proton. Now what I need to do is I need 3 commands to be able to push. The first one is git add space dot git add. With git add space dot, you are telling Git that, okay, gather all the changes that have been created, all the things that I've added, gather everything together. So when we now press enter, it's now going to add everything together inside. So after the git add, we'll talk about the next command, which is git commit. So the git commit is a way of making you remember why you made these changes at a particular stage. Now in the git commit, you can leave a short message of why you are why you are pushing this particular code that you have made changes to your repository. Now the way that we're going to commit is we're going to say git commit -m space, then in quotes the name of the commit. I will just say updated. I just put it in quotes. Remember, git commit space -m updated, and then you will just press enter. So what it does is that when you now go to your GitHub, like maybe 2-3 weeks later, and you're trying to remember why you push this particular code to your repository, you just go and read what the commit message was, and then you see that, okay, this is why I made changes. So it has created commits for it has committed everything. Now it's now time for our final command, which is git push -u origin. So we just say git push -u origin. You remember, to be able to push all your code to your repository, you need 3 commands. The first one is git add space dot. The second one is git commit -m, then in quotes the name of the message in your commit. Then the last one is git push space -u origin. Now if I enter this, it's going to push everything, all my code and everything is going to push it to my repository. And when you go to your GitHub, you go to the repository, you are going to see all the changes that have been made, and then you are going to see this message updated in front of the files that were changed. So as you can see now, it is pushing everything. So I'm just going to pause here and then we'll be right back. So it has finished pushing everything to my repository. So to prove that everything has been pushed, let us now go to my repository to check. Now it is this Proton file over here. Now I'm just going to click it and it's going to take me here. Sorry, the name of the repository is Proton. So when I come here and open it, you can see that the message that I typed in here, the commit message I typed in here, updated, it is being posted here. It's being posted here, and you can see it was posted recently, 6 minutes ago. So that is how to push all your code and everything in your projects folder to your GitHub repository. Don't forget git add, git commit, git push -u origin. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.